Dear students, today I am going to solve exercise 8.1. It is second part of this exercise. Question number second is, in a computer lab there are 3 computers for every 6 students. How many computers will be needed for 24 students? Dear students, you see the question from your NCERT book. It is question number second from exercise 8.1. Now we solve it. For 6 students, number of computers in lab equal to 3. It is given. Therefore, one student number of computers needed is equal to 3 by 6. It is unitary method. So 3 becomes numerator and 6 becomes denominator. We write in this way 3 by 6. And for 24 students, computers needed is equal to 3 by 6 multiply 24 is equal to 12. Hence 12 computers will be needed. Dear students, we do same question in another way also. If let required number of computers for 24 students is x, then 3 is to 6 is equal to x is to 24. Dear students, 3 is number of computers and 6 is number of students. So in proportion we write number of computers, that is x, and number of students is 24. It is in proportion form. Now 3 becomes numerator and 6 becomes denominator. We write both of them in fractional form. So we write 3 by 6 is equal to x by 24. Now we use by cross multiplication. 6 multiply x equal to 6x is equal to 3 multiply 24, or x equal to 3 multiply 24 by 6, because 6 is in multiplication form here. So when we put this 6 in LHS to RHS, it becomes denominator. Now after solving it, we find 12. Hence required number of computer is 12. So we use both the methods. Question number third is, population of Rajasthan is equal to 570 lakhs and population of UP is 1660 lakhs. Area of Rajasthan is 3 lakhs kilometer square and area of UP is equal to 2 lakh kilometer square. Question number first is, how many people are there per kilometer square in both these states, and second is, which state is less populated. Dear students, all the informations are given. For Rajasthan, number of people is 3 lakh per kilometer square and area is 500. Area is 3 lakh kilometer square and population is 570 lakhs. Therefore, number of people in per kilometer square is equal to number of people by area. So 570 divided by 3 is equal to 190. Hence number of people in Rajasthan is 190 per kilometer square. Like this, for UP, number of people in 2 lakh kilometer square is equal to 1660 lakh. Here area is 2 lakh kilometer square and number of people is 1660 lakhs. Therefore, number of people in per kilometer square or 1 kilometer square is equal to 1660 by 2. After solving it, we find 830. Hence, number of people, that is density, in UP is 830 per kilometer square. Dear students, here we see in Rajasthan 190 people live in per kilometer square, but in UP in per kilometer square number of people is 830. So answer of second question is Rajasthan is less populated. Dear students, here we write definition of proportion. Proportion, the ratios which are equivalent are said to be in proportion. For example, four numbers like A, B, C and D are in proportion if product of means, that is B and C, is equal to product of extremes, they are A and D. So we write in this way: A is to B is equal to C is to D, then A and D are extremes and B and C are means. If A multiply D, they are extremes, is equal to means, they are B multiply C. If both are equal, LHS and RHS, then we say that A, B, C, D numbers are in proportion. Dear students, in this way exercise 8.1 is completed. In next video we will discuss exercise 8.2. Thank you.